Welcome everyone to the third episode of our camper van adventure in Bosnia. The previous episode ended with us trying to find a place to stay in the forest at night. We did find a really good spot, but due to an approaching storm we had to look for another one a bit further down the mountain. Eventually we found a great place. In the morning we had a nice and relaxed breakfast, then went on to explore the area.
Yeah, we heard a spring noise just around here, so we check it out.
By the time we got back from flower picking, we noticed that someone had stolen one of Vera's slippers. The investigation had begun.
It's also a nice thing to do when you are on the way to forage some wild herbs. I foraged this mint and I'm gonna make a mint ginger tea. But also you can find in the forest thyme and different kind of herbs. So first of all, today I'm gonna make vegetable curry with some carrots and zucchini and some mungo beans.
If you are interested in the details of our adventures, make sure to follow us on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel too. After lunch, we headed out for a hike. We will see the Skakavac Waterfall. In an hour we will get there.
we found a field of ram. It's like wild garlic. It's really aromatic, these leaves. It's really nice to put it in your sandwich, and I like to cook with it and make pesto from it.
So let's collect them. We slowly made our way back to the van and say goodbye to the landscapes of Bosnia. Our next stop will be in Croatia. Hol az út?
We are back in Croatia and we spent the night here, and actually it's next to a really nice lake. There are sheep around here, and I also heard a donkey during the night. It was like but the sheep are there, and I'm gonna go for a little walk to explore this little Croatian city. Tuk tuk. Tuk tuk. Hey guys. I've never saw ostriches in life before. They are huge. Come on, Bear. Bear. Hello. Get it out of here. Hello, my friend. I think that was the most beautiful random spot what we found so far.
If you are interested in our adventures or technical aspects of building a camper van, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and you can also find us on Instagram too. So thanks for watching, bye!